Hi there and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to go over the new 2026 Small Scout. So this is a brand new layout with Laurel Denise. They just came out with the 2026 collection. So I'll go ahead and open this up and we can take a look. So it comes in this really nice box. It has a label on the back here. And it says 2026 Portrait Week and Month. This is in the Lizzie's Stroll cover, and it's a Monday start. All right, so we'll go ahead and open this guy up. It's got a beautiful inside cover and then some tissue, and then the planners are wrapped in this nice bubble wrap sleeve. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of the box here. All right, and so you can see this is a Lizzie's, I already forgot, Lizzie's Stroll. And I'll post at the end of the video the different covers that are available in both the small, large Scout, also at the Monday and a Sunday start. All right, so we'll go ahead and open this guy up, and you can see beautiful inside cover with the pocket, two-toned patterns here. This has a regular spiral coil instead of the other coils. All right, and inside you have the two rulers, the regular straight edge that says you are here, and then the nice scalloped one that says you are also here. You have your welcome paper here, and on the back side it has, before you begin, it has some inspiration, some QR codes for you to scan and go ahead and get started in your planning, and then your welcome page where you can put the book belongs to, and if you're found, please contact. All right, we have the 12 months at a glance where you have the holidays down the left column here, and then you have special dates and events where you can write in on this right side. And then you just flip right in to the monthly calendar here. So these calendar boxes, again, we're in the small Scout. So these calendar boxes are 1.5 inches wide and 0.875 inches high, so almost a whole inch high. The large Scout is an inch high and almost 2 inches wide. So the small Scout has a 1/2 inch less of box width and like 1/4 of an inch high. So it's still a pretty big size box. And then you have the weekly pages, the short pages. So these guys are 3 inches high, and it's spaced out again by the box size of 1.5. So I feel that this is a really good, a really nice size planner, 7x9 planner. I currently am in the large Scout, and I'll be doing more of a comparison in the next video between the two, but I could really see myself in this one. The large Scout is just big, right? It takes up a lot of room. So we have all the short pages here, and then we get back to the back. After your last weekly short page, you will have 2 sections of dot grid, where you could do dashboards or whatever you prefer in these 2 sections. I did want to go over the Scout, which is something you just have to get used to, but because of the short pages, it is going to be lopsided some, right? So sometimes I'm gonna try to find something like maybe a piece of cardboard cut where you can just stick it behind just this section, right? This part here just needs to be a tad bit thicker so that it's easier to write and not have such of a down. It just kind of goes down here when we're writing. So I've been in my large Scout probably 5 months now, and I sticker every single week and month. So I'll show you that, and you know how that is. And if you've ever had either their horizontal or vertical planner, you have this same thing except the fall offs on the end, right? So it's, I think, less of a bother than it is when it's all packed or stacked on the bottom here. But I don't think I think it's an easy fix. Like I said, maybe a piece of cardboard, something kind of firm that can just be this size here, so that it can just be, you know, between the top of the short page and then the top of the monthly. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip back to the very back. All of the planners are gonna be similar this year. So you're gonna have your plan ahead where it has the 12 boxes. Now yesterday I did the rows and showed you how that looks. So this one here is more up and down, of course. You have your yearly wins, yearly lessons. Then you have your year plan. So all your months are going across the top and the days of the month are going downward. You're gonna have 4 pages of checklists, and you're gonna have 4 pages of grid, and then 4 pages of your dots. And again, you'll have your back page where it talks about, you can put books you're reading, things you're into, happy months, all those types of things, and another really nice pocket in the back. All right, so that is that. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and drop right here the different covers that are available in both the small and large Scout. They're both available in both a Monday and a Sunday start. So the large Scout is $59 and the small Scout is $55. So this is the small. Like I said, I do have an undated large Scout that I'll go over in the next video, the difference in the 2 sizes. All right. Please like, subscribe, comment down below if you're interested in checking out this planner or other planners of Laurel Denise. Please check out the link at the bottom there. That's my affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything to press that, but I do get a small little commission, and I do have a 10% off coupon code that you can use as well. Thanks very much. Till next time. Bye.